Take command of the road in the 2014 Toyota Tundra. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.